Hello, welcome. Question number 7A, still on WASSCE 2025, the Gambia edition. We have to solve 2 on 3, all raised to the power x plus 2 equals to 3 on 2, all raised to the power 2 minus what? 3x. Bear in mind that this is exponential equation, and the best way to solve it, if it will not lead to logarithm, is to make sure we have the same base or the same exponent at both sides of the equal sign. So looking at it, it will be difficult to make the exponent be the same because it is made up of variables and a constant. So we need to concentrate on the base to see if we can make it the same, so that we can employ the property we have. If I have a exponent x equals to b exponent what? Y. If a equals to b, then x equals to what? Y, and vice versa. All right. So now, if I'm looking at this, there is a turn-off of the basis. This is 2 divided by 3 and 3 divided by 2. This will give 1.5, this will give 0 point something, meaning obviously they are different. So the only way we can be able to do that is to remember, if I have a exponent negative n is equals to 1 over a exponent n. This is the reciprocal property, or the negative exponent word property. You can see right here that this is 1 divided by a base, which is raised to the power n. Then the a is having a natural 1 as its denominator. So when this comes down, it is here without being written. Then the power which used to be positive is now going to be what? Negative. So we can apply. What actually happened here is that there is a 1 dividing the a here. So now this 1 comes down, then the a goes up. They switch positions. Then the power positive become what? Negative. So we can apply on this or on this in order to make the base look alike or being the same, if I can say that way. So now, if I'm going to do that, I'm going to change the positions and change the power, meaning this going up, this coming down will introduce the power to be negative. So I'm going to have 3 divided by 2 as the reciprocal of the base equals to negative power 1. And that power 1 will be multiplying x plus what? 2 equals to 3 on 2 raised to the power 2 minus what? 3x. Don't forget, this can be applied to the right also in order to make it look like what? The left. So in that case, I can now have equal base. So if the base are the same, what do? We equate the powers. Are simply put, we take the exponent ignoring the bases since they are the same. So this negative here will affect the x to make it negative x, affect this to become what? Negative 2. All equals to 2 minus what? 3 what? X. So this becomes a simple linear equation. Grouping of like terms need to be done. So I am maintaining the x here. So transposing negative 3x to become positive what? 3x equals to positive 2, negative 2 become what? Positive 2. This is just like negative 1 plus 3, which is going to be a subtraction to give you positive 2 with the x. Then this become what? 4. Let's divide both sides by 2. If you divide, your x will be equals to what? 2. So this simply means that the value of x that will make the left and the right being the same will be what? Positive 2. If you want to check, you can see here that 2 on 3 raised to the power 2 plus 2, 4, equals to 3 on 2 raised to the power 2 minus 2 times 3. That is what? 6. So you're going to have 2 minus 6. That will give you a negative what? 4. So you can see the property will apply here. If I have my 2 on 3 raised to the power 4 if I remove this negative, the bases will reciprocate, meaning 2 on 3, then the power becomes what? Positive. So now equal base equal exponent. So this means that the value of x is truly what? Positive 2. You can also try to convert this back into 2 on 3, changing this to become negative, and see if the result will not be the same. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for the B part.